shughuli muhimu sana imeanzia, shughuli ya kuchukua kura. Kwa miaka miwili iliyopita, vijana wameenda katika streets kusema hii nchi haiendi vizuri. Vijana wamesukuma wa viongozi. Kwanza mkasema tuseme no to the finance bill. Simulisema hivyo? Mimi nataka kuambia vijana, in remembrance ya
around manufacturing, we decided also as a country to take the first step towards manufacturing. And the first step towards manufacturing is aggregation of products for industrial purposes. And that's why we have the KIPES program. Again, the Ministry for Investment, Trade and Industry, especially the State Department for Industry, will help us again canvass the progress we've made around KIPES. Now, the pending bills now are at the level of 720 billion, out of which 172 billion is with the county governments. And we must confront that issue and resolve it once and for all. And it is not impossible. It is very possible, actually, to address the pending bills issue if we think innovatively. And I think national government has some lessons we've learned on a few on how to unlock some of these issues around pending bills. We have the social enablers that help in the transformation of the economy of the country. And here we are focusing on health. That's why we are very keen on universal health coverage, because a healthy population is a productive population, and that's how you create a wealthy nation. So the social enablers are mainly health and education. And if we put all these things together and pursue this uninterrupted, it is possible to change Kenya in our lifetime and move it from where we are to a better place. We are implementing one of the most consequential health reform programs that I know of. What we are doing around Taifa Care is extremely consequential. Many countries have tried and abandoned providing a publicly funded universal health system. And it's even more graphic when you look at it from a developed world perspective. So Kenya has taken a very bold step.
Na gikunegereria ripoti ingi ni meri 11 kuma mubango wa Taifa Care urugurio kuria minista wa gima wa mwiri Aden Duale augite mubango uyu hamwe na washa ni ugashirite gukira nginyagia NHIF iria yahuthirirwo hau gabere kuona andu matanyihire milioni 26.5 ni meyandikithitie akiuga ona atumia aria mohete nda maragunika ona makiria.
Matters health. Functional and well-financed public health facilities are essential in the country's journey towards universal health care and in achieving strategic goals. Besides service provision, county governments have played a vital role in awareness creation, registration of individuals, and even payment of premiums for indigents and capacity building for healthcare providers. We therefore, we appreciate that a lot has been achieved.
In maternal and child health, and this is very, very important for the country to know because of the story that was going on over this weekend. Let me read the record straight. The Inua Jamii program, which has replaced the other one, which everybody knows, supported 627,155 safe deliveries, including 41,000 for teenage mothers. And Excellency, let me make it also very clear that teenage mothers, wherever they are in our country, they have a direct access to health care paid by the government of Kenya through the Social Health Authority. This is offering both integrated maternal and newborn services with financial protection to their families. In fact, they are being paid for them and their families. Over 17.5 million healthcare visits have been recorded under the Social Health Authority in the last 9 months, benefiting 7.5 million very unique patients. And of these, 5 million visits are supported through the Social Health Insurance Fund and its ECCF, while 12.5 million Kenyans, individuals, receive service under the primary health care benefits, which is free and paid for by the government led by President William Ruto.
Tutigane na ico tumurike uria andu mathiete na mbere kana makorwo makiyandikithia hari kuoya kura. Mihango ya wiyandikithia wa aikia a kura ni hurirwo shafi kuria komishoni ya ABC ironekana gucenjia maundu-ini matiganite. Mbere andu maroyagwo o irore cia ciara, no riu ni kuri na mutambo wa kumurika ritho. Teknology no ni gukorwo igiteithiriria mihango ya wikia wa kura igakorwo igitabanio na ihenya.
Pia ningetaka kusema kwa sheria kulingana na Elections Act Section 44 imesema tume huru ya uchaguzi itaweza kudevelop na kuintegrate teknolojia ambayo itaweza kufanya usajili uwe accurate, safe, secure. Na wakati tunafuatilia hii, utaona wakati utaenda kuchukuliwa kule zile biometric, tumeongeza mpaka kuchukua zile iris. Hiyo ni part ya biometric. Labda miaka ingine tutaongeza mpaka voice. Wakati mwingine labda tutaongeza maybe vifaa vingine. Lakini hasa kisheria biometric inahusisha mpaka mambo ya iris. Kwa hivyo watu wasiwe na tashwishi. IBC inazingatia ile mambo ya data correction kabisa. Na Kenya yothe rira tugukorwo tukiyandikithia turera mbeu njithi yumirie tondu oniguo kamwe karia mahetwo nigetha mahote kuingira register-ini. Tukiririkana commission ikoretwo itari na commissioners, na koguo ni twakoretwo tutakwiyandikithia kura kwa kahinda karaihu kuma 2022. Ni kuga twina andu aingi muno matari mara register, especially mbeu ino njithi. Koguo mundu agiuka oke haria hothe agukorwo no athiandikithie kwa constituency offices cia IBC ya ukora makarani mari hau, na itu ikuhingurwo kuma thaa 2 nginya thaa 11 Monday nginya Friday. Na uthie na original kibande original kana passport eta expired, na wathie ni ukuhota kwa either kwiyandikithia kana gucenjia details ciakwa korwa ni weyandikithitie hindi ya 22. Na akorwo ni wenda gucenjia kura ni uramenyithia ati ndungithie handu hothe ta kwiyandikithia. Hindi akorwo ni gucenjia ko urenda gucenjia ukamiru ukamiru uthie constituency ire urenda gutwara kura yaku ku ni kuo gucenjeria. No wiyandikithia ndukunidi kumagara kana kuhaica ngari. Ugucara o constituency ire hakuhi nawe uingire hau umere kuri urenda constituency urenda guthie na polling station ire urenda guga participate in, na ni ukuhota kuregister na ukorwo ri umwe wa aria magakorwo makiamua uria gugathie maundu-ini ma utongoria wa bururi uyu ona ukuria wa bururi.
Na tukire o cigie kuoya kura mihango ya woi wa kura githia na mbere. Kaunti ya Bomet andu ni matine kinya wobici-ini cia IBC kwiyandikithia. Afitha wa IBC Robert Geni ni oriche jenzi aria makinyitie miaka 18 na aria matari moya kura makorwo magikinya wobici-ini ciao. Augite oho ni maukorwo magiteithiriria aria marenda gucenjia kundu na kuria macaguranire hindi iyo ingi ya githurano kiu kingikete hetuku na Mudogo to wa Bwiwanga na adeto makiria.
Orere mifango ya wiyandikithia wa kura yambiriirie miena ngurani guothe bururi-ini rungu rwa ruhonge rwa ithurano rwa IEBC kurerikana gutire muikari ona umwe wa Bomet ya gatagati wiyumiririe kwiyandikithia ta muhuri kura. Ingana na afitha wa registrar wa IEBC mwena ucio Robert Ngenyi augite ati ona thengia wa wabici cia kwiyandikithia kuiguru mathaa ma kiroko gutire mundu gwikinyite wabici-ini ciao kwiyandikithia nginya mathaa ma miaraho.
As you all know, today we are starting the registration of voters, popularly known as CVR, and we are doing at constituency level. We are doing in our constituency offices. So far, we have as Bomet Central constituency, we are very ready. We have opened our offices at 8 in the morning. And so far, none has turned up to be registered.
Robert ni athingiririe fata wa ikari ya Bomet ya gatagati aria matari na kura kwiyumiria na kwiyandikithia akiuga ati kuoya kura noyo njira ya kunyita itemi hari kugacirithia demokrasi ya bururi. Oho ni oritie mbeu njithi aria makinyitie miaka 18 na kwiyandikithia ta ahuri kura na ona aikari aria marenda gucenjia icigo cia kuhurira kura hindi ya githurano.
I am urging all the residents of Bomet Central who have not registered as voters to come and register with us. We are in the office from 8 to 5, from Monday to Friday. And we expect them to turn up today and as from today and onwards. Kindly, we are requesting all of you to turn up, the Gen Zs who have not registered as voters. Come, we are waiting for you, and you are highly welcome to Bomet Central. Each and every constituency offices are registering voters beginning today in the entire country. So all are welcomed, and feel free to come.
Gerifotera Keo TV Getika Wabui Wanganga.
Nigatho Mudogo to wa Bwiwanga ni undu wa gutuihuria riboti na njira njagiriru nake mubunge wa Manyata Gitonga Mukunji ni orite andu ethi kwiyumiria na njira nene kuya kura niguo makagia mweke wa gucagura atongoria aria mari na wigiriki muingi niguo kurehe ugaruruku guku bururi-ini. Aritie hindi ya guthurima wa kiuria urathie na mbere thukuru-ini wa Manyata Technical and Vocational College uria uri kuria mwena wa Gaturi ya muhuro. Awite Gen Z ni marutire wira munene wa gutigirira maundu maria matari mega ni makorwo makirugama Kenya.
Shughuli muhimu sana imeanzia, shughuli ya kuchukua kura. Kwa miaka miwili iliyopita vijana wameenda katika streets kusema hii nchi haiendi vizuri. Vijana wamesukuma wa viongozi. Kwanza mkasema tuseme no to the finance bill. Simulisema hivyo? Mimi nataka kuambia vijana, in remembrance ya wale vijana walipoteza maisha yao in the streets wakipigania haki ya vijana katika hii Kenya, mimi nawaomba tafadhali kwa unyenyekevu mjitume, mchukue kura ndio tuweze kuchagua watu ambao watasikiza sisi mwaka wa 2027. Kura yetu ndio silaha yetu. Na watu wengi sana, niko na vijana wengi sana wananiambia wanataka kukua kwa uongozi. Kura kubwa kabisa Kenya hii, almost 75% ni vijana. 75%. Saa hii leo tuseme Mukunji ndiye rais wa Kenya na vijana pekee tunaweza chagua Mukunji kama rais. Leo tukisema Recho akuwe president ama Andrea ama mtu yoyote kama vijana, we can do that. Lakini mimi ni ombi langu, tuchukue kura kwa wingi, na wacha watu ambao wanachezea sisi wajue tuko na kura na tunawangoja mwaka wa 2027, kwa sababu kura yetu ndio silaha yetu.
Asante sana. Igatho icio ciĩgĩmainie na kuoya kura igatwekanyaga uko tugikiria ni turacokereria ndugetikire gugifashia mitambo.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa
ĩno nĩ shesheni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũrutanaga ũtereva wa ikĩro ciothe. Class A nĩ ũtereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B ũtereva wa ngari nini, Class C ũtereva wa marori na Class D nĩ ũtereva wa ngari cia ũkui wa mũingĩ. Ũrutani witũ wa ũtereva nĩ wa kũrũmanĩrĩra na mũtaratara mwerũ wa NTSA, na warĩkia kothi tũgagũteithĩrĩria kwĩgĩra na smart driving license. Nĩ ũndũ wa ũhoro makĩria, ndũkamaĩrĩrie gũtũcerera wabici citũ Roysambu nyũmba-inĩ ya Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatano, barabara-inĩ nene ya Thika Super Highway kũrigania na TRM, kana ũtũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ĩrĩa ĩkũrehagĩra ũmemerekia mũthuranĩre. O mũthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano, tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ. Thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ, nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ. Thaa 4 nginya thaa 8 ũkanyitanĩra na Wanjiko wa Kinyanjui Kanyaka Ndeto thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Riũa rĩa Wega. Thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored One thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ. Nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ũkanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco.
Nĩ wĩharĩirie kuoya ikinya mbere harĩ kĩrĩa wĩriragĩria gũthoma. Ndũgathĩnĩke rĩngĩ rĩu kuona Jewel Technical College marĩ haha nĩ ũndũ waku. Tũthomithagia kothi itiganĩte ta journalism and media studies nĩguo ũmemerekia, hospitality management nĩguo ũrugi, cosmetology and beauty therapy nĩmo maũndũ megemainie na ũthaka, ICT, electrics and electronic engineering, healthcare and caregiving na makĩria moguo. Nĩ tũrĩ na thiomi cia nanja nĩcio Korean language o hamwe na German. Tucherere Jewel Complex gorofa ya gatandatũ kũrigania na TRM. No tũhũrĩre thimũ namba 0713 nĩyo 0701 300 071, kana no tũcerere rũrenda-inĩ rwitũ nĩruo jewelcollege.ac.ke. Jewel Technical College, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Ĩno nĩ shesheni ya Kiheo TV, kĩhumo kĩa wĩtĩkĩrĩku.
Nĩ ngatho nĩ gũtũikara ikuhĩ twacokereria ororingi. Minister wa Energy Opiyo Wandayi ningĩ nĩ agĩcokeirie ngatho mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa ODM Raila Odinga nĩ gwĩtĩkĩra kũnyitanĩra na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza. Wandayi augĩte ndũgũ yao yerĩ nĩ irehete ũgarũrũku mũnene na nĩ wanjĩtie gũciara matunda. Oho ongereire na kuga atĩ njĩra ya gũtigĩrĩra atĩ bũrũri nĩ watwarithio na njĩra njega na kwa ningĩ gũnyitanithia a Kenya na gwakorwo na thayũ no unyitanĩri wa Ruto na Raila.
Na nimefurahi sana wananchi wa Muchongoi kwa sababu wakati mheshimiwa kama alikuwa anaongea mkamhakikishia kwamba hapa kwenu ni 2 term. Mlisema 2 term? Hebu semeni nisikie. 2 haya, correct. Hata mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga baba lazima tumshukuru yeye vile vile, si ndio? Kwa sababu baba Raila Amolo Odinga na mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto ni mandugu, si ndio? Wakati wa kufanya uamuzi wa chama cha ODM itakapofika, wengine wetu vile vile tutatoa maoni yetu, si ndio? Sisi vile vile tutakuwa na maoni, na sisi wengine wetu kama wanasiasa ambao wamekomaa, kama wanachama kamili, tutatoa ushauri unaofaa. Ushauri unaofaa kwa chama cha ODM na kwa baba Raila Amolo Odinga. Kwa sababu sisi wengine wetu tumeshapiga turubini na tukagundua ya kwamba njia ya kupeleka hii nchi ya Kenya mbele, njia ya kuunganisha Wakenya wote, njia ya kuhakikisha kwamba kuna amani na utulivu katika nchi yetu ya Kenya ni hii barabara ya mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto. Sababu hiyo tutatoa ushauri ya kwamba baba aendelee kufanya kazi pamoja na mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto mpaka mwaka 2032. Wangapi wanaunga hiyo mkono? Hiyo ni ushauri sisi tutatoa.
Itu ria kĩeha nĩ ĩrihutĩtie famĩlĩ ya Elijah Mburu kuma itũra ria Kahiga Kandara kũrĩa andũ 13 arĩa marakwĩrĩire mũtino wa bara mũthenya wa Kiumia barabara-inĩ nene ya kuma Nairobi gũthiĩ Naikuru. Atatũ marathiĩ na mbere na kwamũkĩra ũrigiti arĩ hamwe na ciana 2 nyinyi, na endwa ao marathiĩte Rongai kũrĩa kaunti ya Naikuru kũrora ũmwe wao ũrĩa ũtaraiguaga wega.
Walianza safari Nairobi around saa 1 na watuacha sisi wenyewe, juzi wote walikuja. Kufika around saa 6 mmoja wa kwetu nyumbani akapokea simu, anaitwa Mike Jobi, kuna accident imefanyika around Kikopi. Yeye akachukuana na brother yangu anaitwa Haron, wakafika Gilgil police station, wakapata ni watu wetu waliumia basi hiyo gari yote, na kutoka hapo walianza kufuatilia an action. Around 6:30 nilipokea simu kwa my brother, akanieleza niende niangalie watoto wa sister zangu mahali waliachwa kama wako safe, na ikiwezekana niweke pahali pamoja. Nikawauliza nini kimefanyika, wakanieleza safari yao haikutimiza, wazazi wangu wote wamekufa. Watu wote walikuwa kwa hiyo gari apart from watu watatu ndio walijeruhiwa wote, na tulilose watu wote around 14.
Kwa hii accident nimepoteza mtoto msichana bibi, cousins, auntie na uncles, wote 14. Bahati mzuri na wasamaria wema walisaidia, wakanichukulia mtoto akapeleka Nakuru, wakaleta hapa St. Joseph na anaendelea kutibiwa. Kufikia hapo mwomba tu Mungu atusaidie tu aweze kupona, at least tusipoteze wote pamoja.
My brother in law ni warahurire ira kwa kindu thaa 5 cia utuku, aranjira mutino ucio wikikire haha Gikopi. Sister yakwa na ciana ciake 2 cirari ho.
Ngai uria uheanaga hinya aroke family o hinya na aria makire thibitari mamukire uhonio wa naihenya. Ni ngatho honio tuko tugikira gaturumo ndona mundu gwitwo Maureen Wanjiru wanjeria kinjira riu ni hinda ukiririe giti na ni ngoro ngirehe tabarira ya twaria cararuku irumuthi makwariria oro wigie thandi cia kihiko getika Wairimu wa Wanjiru mutothiri na njira ya ciiko mawabui waku tucemanie wana cihanda thaa 3 thina mbere na gucagura Kiheo TV.